measurement for starting. Like, okay, they're just giving me, maybe I have a drawing. So, and I enter the bathroom. So, first of all, I need to take the measurement of the bathroom before do anything at all. So, you understand? So after I take the measurement, so you know, okay, this place, I can put my WC here. Okay, let me just demonstrate it here. Let's do the first time. Let us do that. From here to here, I have 3 meters. From here to here, I have 45 meters. So, these are bathroom now. So, I have 2.5 meters here. So, I have 3 meters here. So, we need to divide the toilet to know where you can put our WC and then bath and then wash and basin. So, for example, now, this is the shower here. Shower here. I have the piece on it. So my basin is somewhere here. I think you understand what I'm saying. So this is my shower here. This is my dog piece. And this is my ocean basin. Because the reason why I put here, the shower must have a room. Shower must have a room. So you need to put a shower, the area that can have a room. I saw one of the showers that the room has.
The bathroom.
So it's very hard. The way they arrange it. So when we have ocean this here, we have a shower here. So we are not going about it now. So now we are going to know the kind of fittings we need for the water supply and waste. And we have 2 ways there. We have waste for the water, liquid, and we have soil. So soil for the produce. So why the liquid for the ocean basin and shower? So now we need to know, okay, what type of the fittings we need for this. We are going to run the pipe. So we need something like this. This 45. So this is how we go about it. I also need to practice it very well so that I can be able to understand. So for you to go for you need something like this. We call it gel. The problem the name we call it spam. We don't always use the spam in public. So we call it gel. So this gel is applied. You don't know this one, you cannot enter easily. can see it now. Without all this gel, cannot enter easily. So we have to go about this. So this was stand our waist out for the WC. So you cannot consider to use 90 by 90, 290 together. It doesn't look that way. So you must use 45, 245.
Just like
is it this what you call gel, or you are using this for an example?
I just use something as example.
as a gel.
There's a stand that they call gel that they
So that was something there. I use it as example because they are same thing.
Okay, sir.
Just like same thing. So you can see it now, the way it is now. So if you use 90 by 90, so this is what it's going to give you. Something like this. And it doesn't work.
No.
I think we need to even put up this here so that I can be able to work. So you can see that it's very easy, it goes straight down, 90 by 90. Yes. So the other one is 90. Where's the comment? This is 290. Yes, 90. You can't use the 290 together.
Why?
Because of blockage. So it give you blockage. You can see this one at the base. But this end point. That's tapping point. So it's nothing hits here now, it goes slowly. Then if you use it this way, you know, if you hit here, you hit it, stop here. So that's why it doesn't go for using 90 by 90. So that's number one. What's the size of? That's 100 mm. Diameter is 100 mm. 100 mm. So which you call 4 inches. This 4 inches. This 4 by 90 degree. Why this one 45 by? This is 90 degree by 4, and this is 45 by 90 degree by 4. So if you use it this way, it will be easy for you, and the flowing going very well than using a 90 by 90. So that's number one. So number two, I want you to take this now. What do I say? This palm connector. Palm connector.
Palm or pan?
Palm connector.
P-A-N.
Palm.
Yes.
It is
Man.
palm connector. P-A-N-N. Palm connector. No, not palm. topic is toilet design.
Now, in the shower, the entrance to the door.
Oh, the entrance.
Then, no, I just put a sample.
I know. So that we know whether it is standard that the WC faces the door or what.
Okay, okay, I understand what you're saying. So this is the entrance then. I think this is the entrance. That's where I think the entrance was. This should be the entrance.
So, before you go, because by the time we will be late with normal experience, most of the toilet door usually hinge to the side of the wall. Now, when you look at the design, 2.5 meters by
Drawing, you see drawing. Okay. Drawing will show you straight away. Then you are drawing, when you're drawing this way.
but just that in most cases,
No,
What they are trying to say is, you know, the standard
if
design
you ask me what is this drawing,
toilet
I'll take it
has
this
to
way.
be,
I'll take it this way.
it has to be rectangular shape, you understand? And for instance now, you know, this place is being indicated as the entrance now. So as this place, as it's centralized like this, and so the WC has to be somewhere around. It's not that the moment you enter the toilet,
It says WC. No.
WC.
You don't say WC.
So the position of the plant will determine how it's going to be.
Because this side now, we have a window here. And this side too, we have a window here. See that sound? So this side too, we have a window. So if you hold your drawing, you can't hold your drawing this way. You need to hold your drawing this way. So I have to read the drawing, this is drawing. Then you have to read your drawing, you hold it this way. And this is where they have the drawing.
So well, most of us are also local builders.
Okay.
And then part of the questions that most get to ask, especially the position of the door, the direction to which the door clicks.
No, we are just starting, we haven't reached those points. We are start from the fittings now. You start from the fittings. So yeah, if you see your drawing, the mechanical drawing, you see it. The way they design, you can view it like this. Can you view it?
This floor, yes, and not return for the design only for it to return.
We have one that have a cover.
That's what I'm saying. There is one with
There is
rectangle.
all our ways for both 2 inches and 4 inches weight. So there is one that's attached with no-return valve. So that will protect other bacteria to come into the exact. So that's it. No, machine is similar also.
Something to use like and then before we move on, we need to know the quality pipe and the regular